Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to edit an embedded smart object in Photoshop. Let's get started. I already imported to this embedded smart object. See this? Simply edit. Now we can see this smart object icon. Then double click the smart object icon. Click OK. Then go to new window and see this shape. Change shape color. Double click and change the shape color and again double click smart object icon and see this resize icon. Press Ctrl T or double click, change text color, then shape. Press Ctrl S, close it. Press con sorry press Ctrl S, close it. And now we can see this edited embedded smart object. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.